Hi parents and children, welcome to Joyous E-Class. I am teacher Evon. How are you today? Good! Have you prepared your learning box? Yes? Good job! Do you know what we're going to do today? Yes! Are you ready to go for the next session? Yes! Let's go!
Hello children! Welcome back! I'm teacher Ong. Let's continue our lesson today. Today we're going to learn about airplanes. Airplanes is a transportation which can fly in the sky. Do you know how to fly? Yes? Can you do like this? Now everybody turn into an airplane and fly. Very good. Now you are the airplane. Yes, stop. Good. Let's continue. Today we're going to do the shadow matching. We have few airplanes here. Let's learn from it. We start from the first one. This is helicopter. Helicopter. Can you help me to find the shadow of the helicopter? Yeah, it's here. Next one. This is the propeller. Propeller. Can you find the shadow of the propeller? Let's try. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes. Paste on it. Very good. Next one. This is an airplane. Sometimes we will call it aeroplane. Let's fight for the aeroplane. Where is the shadow of the aeroplane? Is it here? No. Is it here? No. This is the shadow for aeroplanes. Good job. Next one. This is the biplane. Biplane. Let's fight for the shadow. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes. Let's paste on it. Good job. Last three. What's this? This is blim. Blim. Let's fight for the shadow. Ooh. Is it here? No. Is it here? Yes. Let's paste on it. Well done. Last one. Why is so colorful? What is this? This is the hot air balloons. Hot air balloons. Let's fight for the shadow. The hot air balloon will floating in the sky. This is the shadow for the hot air balloons. Yes, last one. Shoo! This is a rocket. Rocket. Let's fight for the shadow. Shoo! The last one. Let's paste here. Yeah! Well done! All done! Thank you everyone for joining us today. See you on next lesson. Bye-bye!
Did you enjoy the lesson of today?
Yes.
What have we learned? We learned
Shadow matching for different types of airplanes.
awesome! You did a great job of today. We shall see you on next lesson. Bye!